Okay, so I am putting an access door in here, or an access window. And the reason is, the way we have this set up, we have gates here, we have a gate over there, we have doors in there. But all of our feed and stuff is out here. So I want to be able to like open it up and pop hay in there. Because other stuff we can feed from the outside like this, and the water comes from inside our house. So that isn't an issue, but when I want to throw hay in, I want to be able to throw it over here. And if I want to throw anything else like bedding in, the same thing. So what I'm doing is I unattach all of these pieces here. You see none of this is attached, including the top. The top has to attach to different panels. But I've got some zip ties, and I'm going to zip tie this bottom piece here. So let's get started with that. Okay, so I added 4 zip ties, one there, 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 and there. So that creates like a hinge here. So there's your hinge, so you can open it and close it. Now the next thing I'm going to do is just add a metal clip up here. Now I do not need a lot of security on this because this is behind fencing and then electric fencing. So I've got 2 sets of fencing plus the actual run itself. So I don't probably have to worry about anything getting in here unless something went wrong, which, you know, isn't outside the realm of possibility. Okay, so now that I've have this hinging, I can use something like this. I'm gonna go ahead and toss some hay through. Okay. And then I am using these clips here. So these little 2-sided clips, I mean, you really don't need 2-sided, but you can also use the clips that the run comes with as well. The lining up of this is not great. So, and you just don't want to use too many because it'll be hard for you to get in. Now the issue is, if you have a predator load, you may have to worry about this. Like, this is not a worry for me. This is not a worry for me. Hold, buddy, hold on. Huh? Hold on, buddy. This is not a worry for me, again, because I have double-sided fencing that's electric, that stays on. Then there's regular fencing. So the chances of something getting in here is pretty slim. But if it was an issue, I would probably want to double up and do something along the sides. Maybe a clip along the sides, a clip on that side, and then maybe 2 clips up here. But this, of course, is very sturdy, and this is probably going to be the spot that anything would try to get through because it's closer to the ground. So that's all there is to it. So now we have a little area to reach in and grab things. And I have a helper today. Tristan, you want to say hi? There's my helper because he had a fever yesterday and came home from school. But look at him. He is full of energy. Aren't you? Are you full of energy today? Yes, you are. You're not even tired. I know. So here's our hinge here. No, buddy. And then we're going to do that. And actually, this is a situation where I would normally, like this is normally hooked in here. I can actually rehook that. It's pretty easy to come off and on. To get off and on. So that way it'll actually offer some additional security. You're going to give them the spiky plant? Okay, go ahead. That's a safe one for them. Okay, so this will do. This will be fine. Actually, let me go here. So, again, nothing's really a problem here predator load wise, just because of the electric fence, but that's our access panel and access door there. Just make sure you put more security in there if you have that issue. So we keep our food, we keep our hay. Some extra hay here we keep in galvanized metal bins. They're not perfect, but they do the trick. We've got our food, rabbit and guinea pig. And we have our bedding, which I need to refill. And we have 1 scoop that we use for all this stuff. So yeah, that's all there is to it. And again, there we go. Monster child. Whee! Good times. Hope this was helpful. Take care. Bye.